Assalamu alaikum viewers. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Inshallah, in this episode, let us try learning lessons 8 and 9a. 9 is little bigger. That's why I have split it into two portions, 9a and 9b. So in this class, let's see in 8 and 9a. Lesson 8 deals with one of the important representations of the Arabic language, Sukun. This is Sukun. You have to pronounce it like S-U-K-U-N, Sukun. Yeah, Sukun. So this representation gives the shortest form of pronunciation for any Arabic letter. For example, if it comes above, it is always written above the Arabic letter. So when it comes above noon, it should be pronounced as in. So the shortest form possible, in. Similarly, when it comes above te, it should be pronounced as it. When it comes above toy, it should be pronounced as il. So let us now see the Sukun representation for each and every Arabic letter that we have learnt till now. So it usually does not comes above alif. So let's start with be. So when Sukun comes above be, it is read as ib. When Sukun comes above the, it is read as it. When Sukun comes above se, it is read as is. So it is somewhere between sa and ja. It's not sa or ja, but somewhere between sa and ja. So za. So when Sukun comes above za, so it is. When Sukun comes above ja, it is ij. When Sukun comes above ha, it is read as ich. When Sukun comes above ha, it is read as ich. When Sukun comes above dal, it is read as id. When it comes above zol, it is read as is. When it comes above re, it is read as ir. So when it comes above jim, it is read as is. When it comes above sheen, it is read as is. So sheen Sukun is read as ish. Saad Sukun is read as ish. Laad Sukun is read as il. Toy Sukun is read as it. Loy Sukun is read as il. Ain Sukun is read as just a simple sound. Gain Sukun is read as ig. Something like GH, ig. Fe Sukun it is read as if. Kaf Sukun is read as ik. Kaf Sukun is read as ik. Lam Sukun is read as il. Mim Sukun is read as im. Noon Sukun is read as in. Vav Sukun is read as iv. He Sukun is read as ich. Lam Alif Sukun is read as il because the Sukun comes above lam. So it is read as just il. Hamza Sukun is read as ig because it is representation similar to ain. So ig. Ye Sukun is read as e. So that's all about the Sukun representation of all these Arabic letters. Let us now practice reading the Sukun letters. We all know that this is Sukun. It gives the shortest pronounceable form possible for the Arabic letter, for any Arabic letter. This is Jabar. It gives the sound A. Sukun. This is Jer. This gives the sound E. Sukun. This is Pes. This gives the sound U. Sukun, Sukun, Pes, Sukun, Jabar, Sukun, Jer, Sukun, Sukun, Pes. Let's move on to lesson 9, which is a reading practice for the letter representation Sukun. We all know that Alif Jabar A. This is A, Be Sukun, Ib. So it is read as ab. A, Alif Jabar is A, and Be Sukun is Ib. So Ab. This is Lam Jabar La. This is Lam Jabar La plus Be Sukun Ib. Lab. This is Sheen Jabar Sha. So Sha, Be Sukun Ib. This is Sab. This is Khe Jabar Kha. This is also Khe, another writing form. This is Be Sukun Ib. So Khab, Ab, Lab, Shab, Khab. This is Sheen Jabar Sha, Ib, Shab. Dal Jabar Da, Ib, Dab. Toy Jabar Tha, Ib, Tab. Toy Jabar Ta, Meem Sukun Im. So Tam. Lam Jabar La, Meem Sukun Im, Lam. Sha, Meem Sukun Im, Sham. Sha, Im, Sham. Da, Im, Dam. Zal Jabar Za, Im, Zam. Kain Jabar A, Im, Kham. Ain Jabar A, Dal Sukun Id, Ad. Kaf Jabar Ka, Id, Khad. Jeem Jabar Ja, Id, Jad. Jeem Jabar Ja, In, Jan. Te Jabar Ta, Noon Sukun In, Tan. Loy Jabar Ja, La, In, Lan. Ha, In, Han. Ha, Jeem Sukun Ij, Haj. Fe Jabar Fa, Jeem Sukun Ij, Faj. Ja, Ij, Jaj. Meem Jabar Ma, Ij, Maj. Ma, Kaf Sukun Ik, Mak. Sa, Ik, Sak. Fe Jabar Fa, Ik, Fak. Be Jabar Ba, Ik, Bak. Fe Jabar Fa, Ba, Il, Bal. Ma Jabar Ma, Il, Mal. Ta Jabar Te Jabar Ta, Il, Tal. Kaf Jabar Ka, Il, Kal. Ka, Re Sukun Ir, Kar. Be Jabar Ba, Ra Sukun Ir, Bar. Na, Ir, Nar. Jeem Jabar Ja, Re Sukun Ir, Jar. Ja, Te Sukun It, Jat. Ha, It, Hat. Ma, It, Mat. Ma, He Sukun Ich, Mach. Sha, Ich, Shach. Ba, Ich, Bach. Ta, Ich, Tach. Ta, Se Sukun Iz, Tas. Ha, Is, Khas, Khas. Ka, Is, Kas. Fa, Is, Fas. Fa, He Sukun Ich, Fach. Sha, Ich, Shach. Sha, Ich, Shach. Sha, Ich, Shach. Ta, Ich, Tach. La, Ich, Lach. La, Ich, Lach. La, Il, Lal. Ka, Il, Kal. This is Lad Sukun, so Il, Kal. A, Il, Al. Gha, Il, Kal, Gal. Ga, It, Toy Sukun It, Gat. A, It, At. Ba, It, Bat. Ba, Ig, Bug. Fa, Ig. Kain Sukun Ig, Bug, Ba. Na, Ig, Na, Nag. Na, Ain Sukun Na, just Na. Ba. Loy Jabar La, I. Ain Sukun is I. La. La, Kaf Sukun is Ik, Lak. Sha, Ik, Shak. Sha, Ik, Shak. Sha, If. Fa, Fe Sukun is If, Shaf. Sha, Fe shukun is if, shaf, maf, mal. Loy shukun is il, so mal. Jal, hal. Ha. Shad shukun is ish, hush, khash. Kha, ish, khash. Ha. Jeem shukun is ij, iz, khaz, az, raz, laz, taz. Da jabar, dal jabar da. Zal shukun is iz, daz. Kaf jabar ka. Zal shukun is iz, kaz. Ya iz, yaz. Ya. Sheen sukun is ish, yash. Ha, ish, hush. Ha, ish, hush. Sa, ish, sas. Sa. Dal shukun is id, sad. Kha, id, khad. Kha. Re shukun is ir, khar. Ka, ir, kar. Ka. Jeem shukun is iz, kaz. Ya. Zeem sukun is iz, yaz. Ja. Be shukun is ib, jab. Ja. Te shukun is it, jat. Ja. Ze shukun is ze, iz, jaz. Ha, iz, khaz. Ha, ij, haj. Ha, ikh, khakh. Ha, id, had. Ha, id, khad. Kha, iz, khaz. Kha, ir, khar. Kha, iz, khaz. Kha, iz, khaz. Kha, ij, haj. Ha, ik, khakh. Ha, id, had. Kha, id, khad. Kha, iz, khaz. Kha, ir, khar. Kha, iz, khaz. Ba, iz, baz. Ba, ish, bash. Ba, ish, bash. Ba, is, bas. Saad shukun is, sure, bash. Ta, ish, tash. Ta. Loy sukun is, sorry. Ta. Laad shukun is il, so tal. Ta. Toy shukun is it, tat. Ta. Loy shukun is il, tal. Ta. I, ta. Za, I, za. Za, ig, da, zaag. Za, if, zaf. Za, ik, zak. Sha, ik, shak. Sha, ik, shak. Sha, il, shal. Sha, im, sham. Sha, im, sham. Sha, in, shan. Sha, ich, shak. Sha, ich, shakh. Sha, ib, shab. Sha, ib, shab. A, ib, ab. A, ib, ab. A, il, al. A, im, am. Za, in, zan. Va, in, van. Ra, in, ran. Ra, il, ral. Va, il, val. Va, ir, var. Sha, ir, shar. Za, id, zad. A, im, am. Da, ig, da. Za, I, za. A, iz, az. A, ir, ar. Ya, id, yad. Ra, ib, rab. Ha, ik, hak. Kha, it, khat. Ka, if, kaf. Ka, id, kad. La, ib, lab. Sha, ir, shar. Da, im, dam. Sha, if, shaf. Ka, il, kal. Ka, it, kat. Sha, ik, shak. Da, ish, dash. Ta, ik, tak. Let's wind up the class for today here. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.